Go to the rectangle tool in Illustrator and select that. Hold down the shift and create a quick square. Go to the selection tool. You can see the selection tool there, and then rotate it by 45 degrees. Also, I'm just going to resize that so you can see it a bit there. Now, to create a more classic sort of diamond design, that's still a diamond-like shape, what you can do, just go over here, direct selection tool, and simply select this point at the top and drag upwards. And also you can do, if you want, down the bottom as well. So you can just drag that down to create another sort of more classic diamond design. Now you may want sort of some additional colours to this. At the moment, with that selected here, you can just go up here. That's the selection tool, change a colour. Now I'm just going to go with maybe a gradient, something like that, but you could use something else, perfectly reasonable, use any colour. But what you can also do, you can go to the gradient tool. Here's the gradient tool. With the gradient tool selected, you can reposition that, maybe go downwards or upwards to create, again, probably a more classic design. You don't have to, of course, have just this shape. What you can do, you can always hold down the Alter Option key and duplicate the design, and you can see then you've got two shapes, and resize one maybe. So select one and then resize that. And then, of course, you can put that on top of there. You don't have to do this, of course, but I think creates an interesting, more interesting diamond design, something like that. You can select both of those diamond designs. With them both selected, what you can then do is you can go over here to Symbols. Here you can find here the Symbols panel. That's in the Window menu and Symbols. And with that, on the right side, there's an option here. Click there and New Symbol. So New Symbol, I'm going to go with Dynamic Symbol. That's the latest format. So Dynamic Symbol, click OK. And you can see your diamond design now is added over there. And you can always, at any point then, just drag over there and add it there. Also, what you can do is you can recolor it as well. That's the great thing about that. Please check my videos on how to recolor dynamic symbols. But also you can use it, say, with the, over here, symbol sprayer tool, shifter, etc. To apply, simply just add like that. With that selected, you can see you've got these diamond designs now applied across your document. Now this diamond shape can also, if you've got Photoshop, if you've got the Creative Cloud, simply drag there and then you can copy it across into Photoshop, or maybe add it to your Creative Cloud via Window and Libraries as another option as well. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.